Do you have this problem? Drip, drip, drip. Well, I'm gonna show you a way to take care of that. It's a one-handle Delta style faucet kitchen. It's an old faucet. So the first thing we're gonna do, go down underneath and turn off the water. Uh-oh, it's really dark in there. Here we go. I've already turned off the cold. So, turn it off the hot, because that's the side it's dripping on. It's always a good idea to cover the opening, even though I had a mesh strainer in there. You know, something could fall in there. So the next step is to take out and remove the little screw that's up in here. I've already removed it. You have to use an Allen wrench. Find the one that fits yours. There's a little tab, hot and cold tab that looks like this. It covers that hole. It's just decorative. You just flip that out with your fingernail, and then you get the right size Allen wrench. I have no idea what size this is. This just, I keep it in my little bag of tricks.
Okay.
My mom's in here, so she's gonna keep talking, even though I told her not to talk. Anyway, it's okay. Hi, Mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Just say hi. Okay, there she goes. Now, I keep this bag full of things because, you know, I'm a do-it-yourselfer, so you always keep things. You know, you don't ever throw anything away. And I've got a couple of kits I'm going to try. But first, I got to get a wrench. Okay, once you take the handle, once you take that off, then you can just remove the handle. It just pops right up. So the next thing is I got to get a wrench to unscrew this. So I'm looking in my toolkit. Okay, as it turned out, I didn't need a wrench on this particular one. I was just able to, I used a cloth and put it on there and just tried really hard and it came loose. So I just screw this off, put that aside. Now here comes the fun part. Just pay attention to how you take it apart. You got the white plastic disc. All that'll be reused. Yeah, there's going to be some water come down. You take the little ball and this other thing out. And down in here is what we're looking for. So I'm going to take a paper towel or sponge and soak up all this water. And then we'll go. Okay. The one on the left is the one I want to get. There's a little hole in there. Just put something in there and prise it up. And you'll see there's a little rubber washer with a spring on it. That's what you want to take out. I'm going to replace the rubber washer. See, I have these kits. I have the whole kit, but I don't think I need to replace that. The other side wasn't leaking, so I may not mess with that. So I'm going to get out. I'm going to get out.
Ain't no use messing with it.
Exactly. So I'm going to get one of these out and try it. Might just use the old spring too, because sometimes they're finicky. I've done these before. It's a short spring, and this is the little rubber washer. Okay. There's some directions on the back if you need it. You know, when you buy the kit, you can buy these at any home improvement center, even I think Walmart. This is a Delta, so you want to get one that kind of fits that. They have different kinds. This is another one that I had that looks like I used before. There's the rubber thing I need. I might just bring that out and use that. So, okay, I'm going to use this. I stuck that on there, and I'm going to try to put it in the hole using the pliers. Of course, the spring fell in.
Oh.
I can push it in place. Okay, I dropped it down in there, the spring, and then put the rubber. I tried to put them in at the same time. They sort of came apart, so I put the spring in and then the rubber, and I pushed it in with my finger. So we're going to try that. You think I'm a fool for not doing this one at the same time? Maybe. I might pull it out. Okay, I got them in there. They're sticking up a little bit. There we go. Now I got it. Press them down. Can you see? It's really hard to see. Okay, now we're going to reassemble. I decided to go with the new washer on top of the ball since I had one in the kit. There's nothing wrong with that one, but while I'm at it. And you see this little slot on this ball? There's a little tiny pin right in there. See it? That ball goes to so that that pin sits in that slot. Okay? Then the black washer goes on. It's down in there. This one's dirty. Let me clean it off a little bit. So see that the plastic fits down in there, or it pushes down in the slot when you put this back on. If you have a wrench, I didn't bring a wrench over with me. I'm at my mom's, so most of my tools are at my house. But I think I can tighten it by just putting a rag on there and give it a real good twist. So I just put the handle back on. In the hole and push it down. It's easier to put the set screw, is what that little screw is called, in with the handle back and the spout out of the way. Uh-oh. I might have to do this with two hands. So hang on a minute. Now that I've got it on, I'm going to tighten it down as best I can. Seems to be moving good. That's about as good as it's going to go. I'll put the button back in. Put the red on the left and the blue on the right. You can buy these new buttons too. We had a button break. You can buy them. They're just decorative. Anyway, okay, it's all back together. I'll give it another wipe down here.
You got it all back together?
Yeah, and so I'm going to try the water and hopefully it works.
Oh, yes.
Hopefully. There's no guarantees on anything, right? Okay, there's some like little splotches there that aren't coming off, probably from different cleaners that people used on this thing. It's an old sink. Okay. In fact, I remember we bought this sink used years ago.
Years ago it's been.
Since the 1970s. Okay, so I'm gonna get down there and turn it on. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the hot. Got the hot on. Got the cold on. Okay, here we go. Voila! I don't see any drips. Comes the water. Wash my dirty hands. Yay!
All right.
No runs, no drips, no errors. Another $80 saved.